Emily, what if that was like half compost and stuff?
Is this the right thing?
This is gross.
No.
So.
Kelly, I'm like,
The
not
cat's
putting it around.
done.
Well, you know what happened yesterday? The cat came up. They didn't want me to tell her.
Yeah, go ahead. Tell her. Go ahead, tell her. Tell her.
Are you sure?
Yeah, go ahead, tell her.
The cat came up onto the deck. Me and Katie had the dogs out there, so the dog scared him away. But
It's not funny.
But what?
it had a mouse in its mouth and it dropped it in a tomato pot. I know. It was like freaked out, and I think the dog scared it. So I went to take the mouse out of the tomato pot,
Stop, I'm eating.
and the mouse broke in half, and part of its body fell out into the tomato pot.
That didn't really happen.
It
You guys
did.
are just messing with me.
It's actually true.
Get rid of the cat. The cat's done. I'm over it. I never wanted a cat.
There's a worse part to the story, though.
It's not funny.
No, there's actually a really worse part to it.
What is it?
I did get the part of the mice out of the thing.
Stop.
But then Charlie ran over right after the mouse came out.
No, he didn't.
And he bit the damn thing.
That's not funny. It's not funny.
He bit its head.
I'm trying to eat my breakfast and I'm getting really angry that you guys are messing with me